Imagine this: hot, robust espresso, creamy, cold vanilla ice cream. The flavors blend. It's a match made in dessert heaven. This is affogato. Affogato means drowned in Italian. It perfectly describes this dessert. Ice cream takes a delightful plunge into a pool of espresso. The result is pure magic. The hot espresso melts the ice cream slightly. This creates a wonderful contrast of textures. You get the smooth, cold ice cream and the warm, slightly bitter coffee. Affogato is simple to make, but the taste is complex and satisfying. It's the perfect ending to any Italian meal, or any meal really. Affogato's origins are a bit of a mystery. There's no written record of its invention, but the story is most likely tied to the rise of espresso in Italy. Espresso became popular in the early 20th century. Around the same time, gelato was already a beloved treat. It seems natural that someone somewhere decided to combine the two. Italians love their coffee strong and they love their gelato fresh and flavorful. Affogato brings together these two passions. It's a testament to the Italian love for simple, high-quality ingredients. Affogato quickly became a staple in Italian cafes. It's a dessert that can be enjoyed any time of day, and it's the perfect way to end a meal with a touch of sweetness. As with many Italian culinary delights, affogato eventually ventured beyond Italy's borders. It started appearing on dessert menus around the world, and it was met with open arms and eager spoons. Coffee culture has exploded globally. Affogato has ridden this wave of popularity. Coffee lovers everywhere have embraced this Italian treat. The beauty of affogato lies in its simplicity. It can be easily adapted to different cultures and tastes. This versatility has contributed to its global success. Today you can find affogato in cafes from Paris to Tokyo. It's a testament to the universal appeal of this simple yet elegant dessert. Making affogato at home is easy. All you need are two key ingredients: espresso and ice cream. Choose your favorite type of ice cream. Vanilla is classic, but feel free to experiment. Use freshly brewed espresso for the best flavor. If you don't have an espresso machine, strong coffee will do. Just make sure it's hot. For an authentic touch, use a chilled glass or cup. This will help keep your affogato cold and refreshing. Pour the hot espresso over the ice cream just before serving. This ensures the perfect contrast of temperatures. Don't be afraid to get creative. Add a shot of liqueur for an extra kick, or top your affogato with chocolate shavings, chopped nuts, or fresh fruit. The classic affogato is a thing of beauty, but there are countless ways to customize this dessert. Here are a few popular variations to inspire you. Affogato al cioccolato. Swap vanilla ice cream for chocolate. Use dark chocolate for a richer flavor. Affogato alla nocciola. Indulge in the nutty flavor of hazelnut ice cream. Top with chopped hazelnuts for extra crunch. Affogato al caramello. Drizzle caramel sauce over your affogato for a sweet and salty twist. Affogato with a kick. Add a shot of amaretto, Kahlua, or Bailey's for an adult version. No matter how you choose to enjoy it, affogato is a dessert that is sure to impress. So gather your ingredients, put on your chef's hat, and experience the magic of this Italian masterpiece.